Welcome there, Mr. Temple here from Higham Lane Engineering. I just want to go over a series of different products that I've put together to support students' idea generation. Here are a range of 3D isometric shapes, cuboid and triangular. Students can print this off if they want and use this as a guide to trace, or students could just use them as start points to be able to think about how pencils and pieces of equipment might be stored within these 3D forms. I've chosen a range of 6 different products on this sheet. You can see that they relate to the brief and the specification in a range of different ways. They hold multiple pieces of equipment. You can see that all of them are simple geometric forms. Some are more complex than others. So take, for example, the octagonal would be quite a hard piece of work to draw. But actually could show a real strength in understanding 3D form and expert drawing. You can see that the second one in is a very simple wire structure. You've got plastic forms and you've got traditional wooden forms that you would almost expect to see on a desk as opposed to a desk at a primary school. A range of different products again. The first top left product shows 6 different pots in this hexagonal form with a handle. This is more ideal for a primary school purely because the ergonomic handle will mean that students can carry this product around with them. It would be made from ABS plastic, so it would be shatterproof, and parts of it would be injection molded. You can see that there is 6 different spaces, so in which could hold 6 different pieces of equipment, or could easily be handed out to 6 different students who would have one piece of equipment in each pot. There are other design ideas on this sheet, including the rainbow product. You can see that the simple storage cuboids. You've got a traditional plastic formed injection molded product at the bottom left. The middle section at the bottom almost shows like a caterpillar type product. It has a hinge to the right hand side, so the product would become more square in form rather than rectangular, and each of those different coloured pieces actually can be taken out and re-slotted into different sections to hold different quantities of equipment. The one on the bottom right shows an easy carry case handle and a pot suitable for 4 different students. Very simple geometric forms based upon cylinders with either multiple cylinders added together or cylinders which have just been sectioned. You've got on the second one across, you've got a series of different drawers which has been added in to the product. The greater complexity of the product that the student designs means that they can model in greater complexity, showing greater construction understanding, and then is awarded higher marks later on in the coursework. On this slide we have 5 different types of products. The wooden based products are bamboo, so they have a greater understanding of sustainability in terms of the environmental impact of the product and the use of materials. You've got plastic form products. You've got a very simple but quite contemporary form on the top left hand side, and then on the bottom right you've got that octagonal product which has the huge carry case handle. What would this would be really suitable for primary school, because if you had a cloud desk and you have a star desk, you could have a moon desk, you could have a sun desk, and actually then it means that a primary school teacher could say, oh, okay, the student from the cloud desk, go and collect your equipment storage. The final slide shows the chicken and it shows the cat. It just goes to show that because the product is aimed for children, then actually you could easily identify the cat and the chicken as a different table group, especially if primary school children are learning about animals. And you've also got this characterful sense of belonging that a primary school child might feel. You've got on the bottom left hand side, you've got a two-piece product, one part that sits onto the other, the same as the middle, where you've got the two sections which are joined by two pieces of pine. And then the top right hand side, you've got this multiple system where on a desk anybody could actually also keep a mobile phone device.